HomePro App is a minority, woman-owned small business based in Macon, Georgia, that empowers women to tackle home repairs via a trusted platform of 5-star rated pros who compete for your service and offer the fairest price. Our platform highlights women-owned businesses in the home improvement industry who are breaking barriers and making their mark in the community. Our company supports the community by attracting professionals who operate within the area, therefore strengthening the local economy via job creation. Our establishment encourages collaborating with other small businesses to assist with the day-to-day operations, including hardware stores, local suppliers, and etc. Our network inspires women to consider the skills trades as a viable career option by displaying the opportunity for job security within our app. What we offer: free lead notifications. No contract is required. There's one monthly fee with no additional fees. Photo and/or video advertisement of services offered. Authentic ratings and reviews. Appointment setting, quote, and invoice capabilities. And video chat for convenient customer communication.